Hate cleaning? These clever Temu gadgets might just change your mind. From scrubbing shortcuts to mess-busting tools, they're designed to make your cleaning routine faster, easier, and oddly satisfying. Check out the links in the description to try them for yourself. Cleaning just got way easier and way cooler. This cordless spin mop tackles wet spills, dry dirt, and sticky messes with powerful rotating pads that do the hard work for you. With a built-in 180 milliliter water tank, you just tap once to spray exactly where you need it. The LED light shows hidden messes under furniture, and the adjustable handle keeps things comfortable. Works on tile, wood, laminate, basically any floor you've got. Who says cleaning can't be lazy and effective? These Mop Slippers let you clean floors just by walking around. The soft microfiber grabs dust, spills, and crumbs. No bending, no hands. Spilled cereal? Scoop it up with your foot. You can even slip them onto your hands if you're feeling extra thorough. They're comfy, reusable, and work on all kinds of messes. Some messes laugh at sponges. This scrubber laughs back. With powerful rotary action and 3 adjustable speeds, it powers through soap scum, grout grime, and bathroom buildup in seconds. 9 interchangeable heads mean you've got the right tool for any surface, from tiles to tubs to tight sink corners. The handle adjusts for easy reach, and it charges via USB-C, so you're never tethered. It's cordless, effortless, and totally satisfying to use. Dusting your ceiling fan doesn't need to feel like a circus act. This clever duster wraps around both sides of the blade, trapping dust in one smooth glide. No ladder needed. Just attach the washable microfiber heads, extend your handle, and start swiping. It also works wonders on vents, ceilings, and other hard-to-reach spots. You can even attach it to a sweeper mop for extra reach and control. Say goodbye to streaks and awkward reaching. This 3-in-1 glass cleaning kit makes windows, shower doors, and windshields shine with half the effort. The durable metal pole gives you serious reach, while the soft scrubber lifts dirt, and the silicone blade wipes it clean. High spots? No problem. It's lightweight, easy to use, and turns glass cleaning into a smooth, satisfying task. Cooking just got way less messy. This hanging trash can clips onto your cupboard and folds out with a wide opening, perfect for sweeping in scraps without bending down. It has a built-in slot to hold garbage bags in place and can handle heavy loads with ease. Need more room on the counter? Just slide it along the edge. It's a compact cleanup helper that moves with you. Scrubbing floors and tiles doesn't have to wreck your back. This rechargeable rotary scrubber takes on grime with dual-speed power and 9 interchangeable brush heads for every surface. From tubs to car rims, it scrubs deep without breaking a sweat. The extendable handle helps you reach high corners and low crevices, all while staying dry thanks to its waterproof design. Just charge it up, switch it on, and let it handle the dirty work. Washing dishes just got way more convenient. This soap dispensing brush lets you scrub and release soap with one hand. Just press the button and you're good to go. The clear handle shows exactly how much soap is left, and the brush head is replaceable for long-term use. Hang it up when you're done, and it's always ready for action. From plates to pots to countertops, it cleans just about everything. Tough grime doesn't stand a chance against steam. This handheld steam cleaner heats up in just 15 seconds and blasts through dirt, grease, and stains using pure, powerful steam. With 6 different nozzles, you can clean ovens, tiles, car seats, and even tricky corners with ease. The large tank keeps the steam going longer, and it shuts off automatically for safety. No chemicals, no scrubbing, just clean, fast, and simple. No more bending, no more splashing, and definitely no more touching dirty mop heads. This flat mop and bucket set lets you clean your floors with a simple up and down motion. Just dip, wring, and go. The built-in dual chamber washes and dries the mop head hands-free, while microfiber pads grab onto dust, hair, and spills. A 360-degree swivel lets you glide into corners and under furniture with ease. It's wet and dry cleaning made effortless. Forget those disposable lint rollers, this one's built to last. Its extra sticky surface grabs pet hair, dust, and crumbs effortlessly while dry, making it perfect for couches, clothes, and car seats. When it's full, just rinse it under water and it's ready to roll again. No refills, no waste, no batteries. It's a reusable cleaner that sticks to the mess, not your wallet. Toilet scrubbing just leveled up. This electric toilet brush spins at high speed with the push of a button, wiping out grime without you needing to press down hard. The soft silicone head gets into every angle without scratching your bowl, and the ventilated base dries it quickly after each use. It even has a self-cleaning light that kicks on when you place it back. Need to wash and dry clothes without a full laundry setup? This portable duo does it all. The foldable washer uses gentle, deep cleaning modes to scrub baby clothes, socks, and delicates. Just add water and soap. Then the compact dryer uses warm air and UV light to dry up to 9 items in about 20 minutes. Both are lightweight, quiet, and easy to pack. Perfect for travel, dorms, or tiny apartments. Dust hiding in vents, cup holders, or keyboard cracks. This reusable cleaning gel picks it all up with a single press. Just squish it into tight spaces and watch it grab dust, crumbs, and debris you didn't even know were there. It's soft, flexible, and doesn't leave any sticky residue behind. Once it's dirty, just fold it over and keep going. Perfect for cars, gadgets, and anywhere dust loves to hide. Cleaning windows just got hands-free and high-tech. This smart window cleaning robot sticks securely to glass using powerful suction and glides smoothly with built-in AI that maps out the best path. Dual spray nozzles and rotating microfiber heads remove dust, smudges, and streaks like a pro. No ladder needed. Use the remote to pick your cleaning mode or control it manually. It even has a backup battery and safety rope for worry-free cleaning. Corners, ceilings, and tight spots. This mop was made for them all. With a 360-degree rotating triangle head, it slides into tricky spaces that round mops can't reach. The microfiber pads handle both wet and dry messes, from dust and pet hair to spills and grime. Just twist the handle to wring it out, no bucket needed. It's tough on dirt, gentle on every surface, and ready for any room in your home. Jewelry looking dull or your glasses covered in smudges? This ultrasonic cleaner uses sound waves to shake off dirt you can't even see. No scrubbing required. Just add tap water, drop in your rings, watches, or dentures, and let it do the work in minutes. Choose between 2 cleaning modes, depending on how dirty your item is. It's compact, quiet, and safe for delicate pieces. Sparkle made simple. Tired of scooping litter every single day? This self-cleaning litter box takes care of the mess for you, automatically separating waste from clean litter after each use. It's roomy enough for larger or multiple cats, and features an open-top design that gives them space to move comfortably. The waste wraps up neatly, keeping odors in check for up to 2 weeks. Just plug it in and let it do the dirty work. Don't have time to vacuum and mop? This 2-in-1 robot handles both in one go. With powerful suction, a built-in water tank, and multiple cleaning modes, including zigzag for max coverage, It glides across hard floors and low carpets like a pro. It dodges obstacles, avoids getting stuck, and even responds to your voice or app. And yep, it recharges itself when it's done. Scrubbing cups and bottles just got way easier. This wall-mounted double-sided brush cleans both sides of your glassware at once. No twisting, no slipping. It suctions right to your sink and stays put while you slide cups through the bristles, even those tall or narrow ones. Great for wine glasses, baby bottles, or tumblers that are tough to reach. A seriously underrated kitchen time saver. Ditch the canned air and upgrade to a powerful cordless electric duster that gets the job done fast. It blasts away dust from keyboards, computers, vents, and more using 3 adjustable speeds and interchangeable nozzles. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for both home and on-the-go cleaning. And since it's rechargeable, you'll save time, money, and a lot of waste in the long run. Struggling to reach your back while showering? This electric wall-mounted scrubber does it for you. No twisting or stretching required. With 3 rotating brush heads and adjustable height, it exfoliates, massages, and deeply cleanses every inch, even tough spots. Gentle enough for all skin types, but powerful enough to feel like a spa treatment, it turns your daily shower into a full-body refresh. Hate touching the soap pump with dirty hands? This wall-mounted automatic dispenser takes care of that, completely touch-free. It's sleek, rechargeable, and even displays the time on a digital screen. With adjustable output levels and compatibility with everything from hand wash to dish soap, it's perfect for keeping things clean in kitchens, bathrooms, and more. Cleaning blinds doesn't have to be a hassle. These clever duster brushes are designed to tackle multiple slats at once, so you're not stuck wiping each one by hand. The soft microfiber fingers grab dust without scratching surfaces, while the ergonomic handle gives you full control. Plus, the bonus groove brush makes it easy to reach tight corners and vents.